Good morning, Fakeaholic friends. Today is August 22nd, and this is Albacor Comuna, and I've not checked this row here for younger trees for ripe fruit yet, and there's a lot of fruit that have dropped to the ground already, I noticed, and there's some, I don't see any that are properly ripe right now. Unfortunately, they're already drying on the tree. And I do also farm chestnuts, and I'm going to get busy with chestnuts fairly soon. So I wanted to just at least show this tree and the evidence that it's fruiting for me. Not very representative of the fruit, but you can tell it's got a long shape on some of the fruit. Some are still round, even looking at some of the largest fruit on the ground that are spoiled. My drip emitter is dripping right on that one, so that one is probably pretty bad shape. But this one is dried on the tree. Let's see how it is. So the sugar level is very high on this at this dried state, but I would say also it's a very sweet thing. There's no spoilage in this at all. It's dried great right on the tree. Can't tell enough whether it would have a berry flavor when at the proper ripe stage, but could be very productive with one fruit at every bud, every node. It's got about 3 feet of new growth on it, so it's starting to take off. Hopefully we'll get better photos next year. Again, this is Albacor Comuna. Thanks for watching.